Ram Ram Ram, Suprabhatam Sarvebhyah. Welcome to the 36th session of Experience the Bliss of Shivananda Lahari. Today we will be having a revision session. We will be doing the revision right from the verses of 1 to 55. Request whoever wants to chant to please raise your hands. I will call you one by one, and you can chant the shloka that is presented on the screen. We will be starting with Guru Vandanam. Gururev gatir gurumev bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guru श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानामालयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करल्लोकशङ्करम् सौन्दर्यलहरी कर्त्रे सर्वमङ्गलदायिने शङ्कराचार्यवर्याय यतिराजाय ते नमः शङ्कारूपेण मच्चित्तं पङ्कीकृतमभूत्यया किङ्करी यस्य सा माया शङ्कराचार्यमाश्रये प्रह्लादवरदो देवो यो नृसिंहः परो हरिः नृसिंहोपासकन्नित्यं तन्नृसिंहगुरुं भजे श्रीसच्चिदानन्द शिवाभिनव्य नृसिंहभारत्यभिधान्यतीन्द्रान् विद्यानिधीन् मन्त्रनिधीन् सदात्मनिष्ठान् भजे मानवशम्भुरूपान् सदात्मध्याननिरतं विषयेभ्यः पराङ्मुखं नौमि शास्त्रेषु निष्णातं चन्द्रशेखरभारतीं विवेकिनं महाप्रज्ञं धैर्यौदार्यक्षमानिधिं सदाभिनवपूर्वन्तं विद्यातीर्थगुरुं भजे भारती करुणापात्रं भारतीपदभूषणं भारतीपदमारूढं भारतीतीर्थमाश्रये भारतीतीर्थवर्यन्तं भक्तहृत्तापनाशनं भवभीतिहरं देवं भावये सततं हृदि विद्याविनयसम्पन्नं वीतरागं विवेकिनं वन्दे वेदान्ततत्त्वज्ञं विधुशेखरभारतीम् अनन्तगुणसम्पन्नामनन्ताभिधयाश्रिताम् अनन्तज्ञानदात्रीं तां मातरं प्रणुमो वयम् गैर्वाण्या संविबोधेन जीवनं मौल्यसंयुतं या करोत्तान्नमाम्यम्बां शारदामूर्तरूपिणीम् कलाभ्यां चूडालङ्कृतशशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटितफलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत्रिभुवनशिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्दस्फुरदनुभवाभ्यां नतिरियम्. Can we first have Hemavati Shankar Bhagini. Yes, Bhagini, please.
Ram.
Ram.
Ah,
First verse, ma'am.
okay. Ram. कलाभ्यां चूडालंकृत शशिकलाभ्यां निजतपः फलाभ्यां भक्तेषु प्रकटित फलाभ्यां भवतु मे शिवाभ्यामस्तोकत् त्रिभुवन शिवाभ्यां हृदि पुनर्भवाभ्यामानन्द स्फुरदनुभवाभ्यान् नतिरियम् धन्यवादः
उत्तम भगिनी. धन्यवादः.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः. Next, can we have Aditya Mahodaya?
Ram.
Ram Bhagini.
Yeah. Galanti Shambho Tvachari Sarita Kilpisharajah.
Bhagini, Tvacharita Saritaha.
Tvacharita Saritah Kilpisharajah. Sorry, I'll start from the beginning. Galanti Shambho Tvacharita Sarita Kilpisharajah. तलन्ति धीकुल्या सरणिषु पतन्ति विजयताम् तिषन्ति संसारभ्रमणपरितापोपशमनम् वसन्ति मच्चेतो ह्रदभुवि शिवानन्दलहरी.
Uttamam Bhagini. Bhagini, in the last line, the bhu was not very clearly heard, but otherwise it was very good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyawad.
Dhanyavada. Up next, can I have Mr. Vinay Shankar Mishra Mahodaya?
त्रैवेद्यं हृदयं त्रिपुरहरमाद्यं त्रिनयनं जटाभारोदारं चलदूरगहरं मृगधरं महादेवं देवं मयि सदय भावं पशुपतिं चिदालम्बं साम्बं शिवमतिबिण्डमं हृदि भजे.
Mahodaya, this is Traivedyam Hridyam. I heard it as Hridayam. It is Hridyam. And in the last line, it is Shivamati Vidambam. So I heard it slightly differently. Otherwise, please make sure to give a pause after every pada. So after every pada, after every line, if there is no hyphenated word, please give a pause because they're separate words and have to be pronounced separately. But otherwise, it was really good. Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Padma Duggirala Bhagini?
Namaste. Hari Om.
Namaste. Hari Om Bhagini. The fourth verse, please.
सहस्रं वर्तन्ते जगति विबुधाः क्षुद्रफलदाः न मन्ये स्वप्ने वा तदनुसरणं तत्कृतफलम् हरिब्रह्मादीनामपि निकटभाजामसुलभम् चिरं याचे शम्भो शिव तव पदाम्भोज भजनम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Bhagini, in the first line, I could not hear the Mahapranas in Vibudhaha and Kshudra Phaladaha. Maybe you can just keep that in mind, but otherwise it was very good.
Can I try one first
Sure.
line?
Yes, please. The first.
सहस्रं वर्तन्ते जगति विबुधाः क्षुद्रफलदाः न मन्ये. Okay.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Dhanyavada. Up next, can we have Shubha Bhagini? The fifth verse, please.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram.
स्मृतौ शास्त्रे वैद्ये शकुनकविता गानफणितौ पुराणे मन्त्रे वा स्तुतिनटनहास्येष्वचतुरः कथं राज्ञां प्रीतिर्भवति मयि कोऽहं पशुपते पशुं मां सर्वज्ञप्रथितकृपया पालय विभो।
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादः।
Can we have Lata Bhagini, the 6th verse, please?
घटो वा मृत्पिण्डोऽप्यणुरपि च धूमोऽग्निरचलः पटो वा तन्दुर्वा परिहरति किङ्घोरशमनं वृथा कण्ठक्षोभं वहसि तरसा तर्कवचसा पदाम्भोजं शम्भोः भज परमसौख्यं व्रजसुधीः।
Bhagini, in the second line, I heard Tanturva, Standurva. So you can please keep that in mind. And in the third line, Vritha, I couldn't hear the Mahaprana of the Th. But otherwise, everything else was good. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Jayanti Bhagini, the 7th verse, please?
Namaskaram Guruji.
Namaskaram Bhagini, the 7th verse.
Manaste padabje nivasatu vachastotra phanitau karau chabhyarchayam shrutirapi katha karnana vidhau tavadhyane buddhihi nayana yugalam murti vibhave परग्रन्थान् कैर्वा परमशिव जाने परमतः।
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Usha Iyer Bhagini?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, Bhagini. The 8th verse, please.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram.
Yatha buddhishuktau rajatamiti kachas mani manihi jale paishte kshiram bhavati mrikatrishna susalilam tatha deva prantya bhajati bhavadanyan jadajanah mahadeve shantvam manasi chanamatva pashupate.
Uttamam Bhagini. Just in the first line, I heard the Kachash Mani Manihi. The ni and the ni sounded similar. So please keep that in mind because it's a very slight difference. All
Sure,
right?
sure. Thank you so
Otherwise
much.
it was good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Kamala Shankar Bhagini?
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini, the 9th verse, please.
गभीरे कासारे विशति विजने घोरविपिने विशाले शैले च भ्रमति कुसुमार्थं जडमतिः समर्प्यैकञ्चेतः सरसिजमुमानाथ भवते सुखेनावस्थातुं जन इह न जानाति किमहो।
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you, Bhagini.
Up next, can we have Vasanta Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram Ram Ram. The 10th verse, please.
Naratvam devatvam nagavana mrigatvam ashakata pashutvam kitatvam bhavatu vihagattvadi jananam sadatvat पादाब्ज स्मरण परमानंद लहरी विहारा सक्तं चेत हृदम हृदयमिह किं वपुषा हृदयमिह किं तेन वपुषा।
Yes, भगिनी उत्तमं भगिनी धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादाः।
धन्यवादाः up next can we have Padma Bhagini
वटुर्वा गेहि वा यतिरपि जटी वा तदितरः नरो वा यः कश्चित् भवतु भवकिन्तेन भवति यदीयं हृत्पद्मं यदि भवदधीनं पशुपते तदीयस्त्वं शम्भो भवसि भवभारं च वहसि।
उत्तमं भगिनी धन्यवादाः
धन्यवादः।
up next can we have Rajagopal Ramanathan Mahodaya
धन्यवादः।
राम राम राम
गृहायां गेहे वा बहिरपि वने वा त्रिशिखरे जले वा वह्नौ वा वसतु वसतिः किं वद फलम् सदा यस्यैवान्तः करणमपि शम्भो तव पदे स्थितं चेद्योगोऽसौ स च परमयोगी स च सुखी।
Mahodaya, in the second line it is vanhauva, not vahnauva. It is vanhauva.
Jaleva vanhauva.
Correct.
Na comes before her. Okay.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha, Uttamam Mahodaya.
Dhanyawad.
Up next, can we have Saumini Ramakrishnan Bhagini?
Ram 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 Vini.
Ram Ram Ram. The 13th verse, please.
13th. Asare samsare nija bhajana dure janadhiya भ्रमन्तं मामन्धं परमकृपया पातुमुचितं मदन्यः को दीनक्तव कृपणरक्षादिनिपुणः त्वदन्यः को वा मे त्रिजगदि शरण्यः पशुपते.
Bhagini, in the third line, it is Madanya Kodinaha. So it would be nice if you could
bit.
pause.
Yeah, sure. Madanya Kodinaha tava kripanarikshadini punaha twadanya ko va me trijagadi sharanyah pashupate.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini, Uttamam.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Vijay Lakshmi S. Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 14th verse, please.
Prabhutvam deenanam kalu paramabandhu pashupate pramukyoham tesham api kimuta bandhutvamanayoho tvayaiva ksantavyaha shivamadaparaghaschya sakalaha मदपराधाश्च सकलाः प्रयत्नात् कर्तव्यं मदवनमियं बन्धुसरणिः.
Bhagini, it was good that you corrected yourself in the third line. Just that in the first word, it is Prabhustvam. I heard it as Prabhutvam, it is Prabhustvam. All right?
Yes, Bhagini. Prabhustvam. Okay.
Yes. Dhanyawad.
Thank you. Dhanyawada.
Up next, can we have Madhubala Bhagini? Yes. The 15th verse, please.
उपेक्षा नो चेत् किं न हरसि भवध्यान विमुखां दुराशा भूयिष्ठां विधिलिपिमशक्तो यदि भवान् शिरस्तद्वैधात्रं न खलु सुवृत्तं पशुपते कथं वा निर्यत्नं करनखमुखेनैव लुलितम्.
उत्तमं भगिनी, धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः मैम.
Up next, can we have Jayalakshmi Ganesan Bhagini?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Bhagini, the 16th verse, please.
विरिञ्चिर्दीर्घायुः भवतु भवता तत्परशिरः चतुष्कं संरक्ष्यं स खलु भुवि दैन्यं लिखितवान् विचारः को वा मां विशद कृपया पाति शिवते कटाक्षौ व्यापारः स्वयमपि च दीनावनपरः.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini, Uttamam.
Thank you.
Before we move on, I would just like to ask everyone to mute yourselves once you are done chanting, so it would not cause a disturbance to the others. Yeah, thank you. Next, can we have Sulochana Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. The 17th verse, please.
फलद्वा पुण्यानां मयि करुणया वा त्वयि विभो प्रसन्नेऽपि स्वामिन् भवदमलपादाब्जयुगलम् कथं पश्येयं मां स्थगयति नमस्सम्भ्रमजुषाम् निलिम्पानां श्रेणिः निजकनकमाणिक्यमकुटैः.
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Kamakshi Kuppuswamy Bhagini?
Ram
Ram Bhagini, the 18th verse, please.
त्वमेको लोकानां परमफलदो दिव्यपदवीं वहन्तस्त्वन्मूलां पुनरपि भजन्ते हरिमुखाः कियद्वा दाक्षिण्यं तव शिवमदाशा च कियती कदा वा मद्गच्छां वहसि करुणा पूरितदृशा.
Bhagini, in the last line, I heard Madraksham slightly differently. So if you can just keep that in mind. But otherwise, it was very nice.
कदा वा मद्रक्षां वहसि करुणा पूरितदृशा.
Yes, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Uttamam.
Okay.
No, Bhagini, we'll move on to the next verse, yeah? Thank you, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Visalakshi Kannan Bhagini?
Hello, namaste ma'am.
Namaste, Bhagini. The 19th verse, please.
Durasha bhuyishte duradipagೃಹದ್ವಾರ ಘಟಕೆ durante samsare दूरित निलये दुःखजनके मदाया संकिन्न व्यपनयसि कस्योपकृतये वदेयं प्रीतिश्चेत् तव शिव कृतार्था खलु वयम्.
Bhagini, in certain places, I was not able to hear the Mahaprana. So I request you to please, I could not hear the Mahaprana in certain places. So request you to please keep it in mind when you practice. All right. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Up next, can we have Setu Lakshmi Bhagini?
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram, Bhagini, the 20th.
चरति युवतीनां
Jagirau Nadatya Sa Jakas वदति झटिति स्वैरमपि तदा कपालिन् भिक्षु मे हृदय कविमत्यन्तसबलं चुटं भक्त्या बद्ध्वा शिव भवदधीनं विभो.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Just that in the second line, I heard Natatya Sha Shakha Svatati. The Sha I heard as Sa Sa. I think it could also be due to the connection. So request you to keep that in mind when you practice. All right. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Up next, can we have Vijaya Lakshmi Kirti Vasan Bhagini?
Ram
Bhagini.
Dhriti Sambhadharam Dridha Guna Nibaddham Sagamanam Vichitram Padmatyam Pratidivasa Sanmarga Ghatitam Smarare Macchetas Phuta Patakutim Prapya Vishadam Jaya Swamin Shaktya Sah Shiva Ganai Sevita Vibho.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Up next, can we have Shyamala Ramachandran Bhagini?
Namaste.
Namaste Bhagini. Just 22nd verse.
प्रलोभाद्यैरर्ताहरण परतन्त्रो धनिगृहे प्रवेशोद्युक्तः सन् भ्रमति बहुधा तस्करपते इमं चेतश्चोरं कथमिह सहे शङ्कर विभो तवाधीनं कृत्वा मयि निरपराधे कुरु कृपाम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Jayashri Venkat Bhagini?
Ram
Bhagini, 23rd verse.
Karomi tvat pujam sapadi sukhado me bhava vibho viditvam vishnutvam dishasi khalu tasya palamiti punaschtvam drashtum divi bhuvi vahan pakshi mrigatam adrishtva tatkhedam kathamiha sahe shankara vibho.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. It was nice to see you correcting your Mahapranas along the way. Dhanyavadaha. Uttamam Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Up next, can we have Uma Devi Bhagini?
Ram
Bhagini. The 24th verse, please.
Kadava Kailase Kanakamani Saudhe Sahaganaihi Vasan Shambhoragre Sputha Ghatita Murdhanjali Putaha Vibho Sambaswamin Paramashiva Pahiti Nigadanna Vidhatrinam Kalpan Kshanamiva Vineshyami Sukhataha.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavad.
Up next, okay. If anybody else wants to chant, kindly raise your hands so I can give you a chance to chant. I will first give chances to people who have not chanted before, and then I will go back to for a second round of chanting. All right. Can we have Vijay Lakshmi S. Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini, the 25th verse.
स्तवैर्ब्रह्मादीनां जय जय वचोभिर्नियमिनां गणानां केलिभिः मदकलमहोक्षस्य कपुटी स्थितं नीलग्रीवं त्रिनयनमुमालिष्टवपुषं कदा त्वां पश्येयं करधृतमृगं खण्डपरशुम्.
Again, the third line, it is Trinayana Mumashlishta Vapusham. All right.
त्रिनयनमुमाश्लिष्टवपुषम्.
Correct, Bhagini. Yeah. Dhanyavadah. Dhanyavadah. Up next, can we have Tripura Sundari Bhagini?
Yes, Mohoday. Hari Om.
Hari Om Bhagini, the 26th verse.
कदा वा त्वं दृष्ट्वा गिरिश तव भव्याङ्घ्रियुगलम् गृहीत्वा हस्ताभ्यां शिरसि नयने वक्षसि वहन् समाश्लिष्टाग्राय स्फुटजलजगन्धान् परिमलानलभ्यां ब्रह्माद्यैः मुदमनुभविष्यामि हृदये.
Bhagini, the third line, it is Samashlishtyagraya. I heard a Samashlishtyagraya. So please.
Yes, Mother, I made a mistake. Samashlishtyagraya.
Correct. Dhanyavadah Bhagini. Uttamam.
Hari Om. Dhanyavadah.
Up next, can we have Srilata Bhagini?
Karaste Madrau.
Sulochana Bhagini, are you?
Yes. Namaste.
Sorry, Srilata Bhagini. Yes, please. The 27th verse, please.
Yeah. करस्थे हेमाद्रौ गिरिशनिकटस्थे धनपतौ गृहस्थे स्वम्भूजामरसुरभिचिन्ता मणिगणे शिरस्थे शीतांशौ चरणयुगलस्थे किल शुभे कमर्थं दास्येऽहं भवतु भवदर्थं मम मनः.
Bhagini, it is in the second line, it is Swarbhuja Marasurabhichinta Manigane. All right. And in the third line, in the end, it is Charana Yugalasthe Khila Shubhe. I could not hear the Mahaprana in the Kh. All right.
Oh.
So please keep that in mind. All right. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Sarita Yelavarthi Bhagini? I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. Sarita Bhagini. Yes, the 28th verse, please.
सारूप्यं तव पूजने शिव महादेवेति संकीर्तने सामीप्यं शिव भक्ति धुर्य जनता सांगत्य संभाषणे सालोक्यं च चराचरात्मक तनुध्याने भवानीपते सायुज्यं मम सिद्धमत्र भवति स्वामिन् कृतार्थोऽस्म्यहम्.
Uttamam Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Suvarna Bhagini?
Namo Namaha.
Yes. Namaskara Bhagini. The 29th verse.
Patadambujamachayami paramam tvam chintayamyanvaham tvamisham sharanam vrajami vachasa त्वामेव याचे विभो वीक्षां मे दिश चक्षुषीं सकरुणां दिव्यैश्चिदं प्रार्थितां शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसै शम्भो लोकगुरो मदीयमनसौख्योपदेशं कुरु. धन्यवादः.
Bhagini, in the third line, it is chakshushim. And in the last line, it is Madiya Manasas Saukhyopadesham. So,
Manas Saukyam, no? That Dvitvam.
Manasas Saukhyo.
Oh, yes. Correct.
Right?
Shambho Loka Guru Madiya Manasas Saukhyopadesham Kuru.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Vimala Mohan Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini, sorry. The 30th verse.
Okay. वस्त्रोद्यूतविधौ सहस्रकरता पुष्पार्चने विष्णुता गन्धे गन्धवहात्मतान्नपचने बर्हिर्मुखाद्यक्षता पात्रे काञ्चन गर्भस्ताति मयि चेत् बालेन्दुचूडामणे शुश्रूषां ते पशुपते स्वामिन् त्रिलोकी गुरो.
Bhagini, in the third verse, it is Kanchana Garbhatasti. I heard it slightly differently. Please keep that in mind while practicing. Yeah.
Okay,
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawada Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Vishwadeva Nagesh Mahodaya?
No, sorry, madam, it is mine, Kamakshi.
All right, Kamakshi Bhagini, please. The 31st verse. Oh, sorry, not the 31st verse.
Nalam.
Oh, yeah, sorry, 31st verse, sorry. Sorry, 33rd. I'm sorry. Yes, please.
नालं वा सकृदेव देव भवतः सेवानतिर्वानुतिः पूजा वा स्मरणं कथाश्रवणमप्यालोकनं मादृशां स्वामिन्नस्थिरदेवतानु शरणायासेन किं लभ्यते का वा मुक्तिरिति कुतो भवति चेत् किं प्रार्थनीयं तदा.
Ayam, sorry, we have to do 31st verse actually.
Yes, I realize we will move back to the 31st. Thank you, Padma Bhagini. Bhagini, here in the last verse, so in the last line, it is Muktiritah Kuto.
Muktiritah Kuto Bhavati Chet.
Correct. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
No.
We will move back to the 31st verse. Can we have MVL Madhubala Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini, the 31st verse, please.
Okay. नालं वा परमोपकारकमिदं त्वेकं पशूनां पते पश्यन् कुक्षिगताश्चराचरगणान् बाह्यस्थितान् रक्षितुम् सर्वामर्त्यपलायनौषधमतिज्वालाकरं भीकरम् निक्षिप्य तं गरलं गलेन गिलितं नोद्गीर्णमेव त्वया।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी.
धन्यवाद.
We'll move on to the 32nd verse. Can we have Meena Sugavanam Bhagini?
ज्वलोग्रः सकलामरातिभयदः क्ष्वेलः कथं वा त्वया दृष्टः किं च करे धृतः करतले किं पक्वजाम्बूफलम् जिह्वायां निहितश्च सिद्धघुटिका वा कण्ठदेशे भृतः किन्ते नीलमणिर्विभूषणमयं शम्भो महात्मन् वद.
Bhagini, in the first line, it is Jwalagra Sakalamarati Bhayadaha. I heard it is Jwalogra. And in the second line, it is Pakwa Jambu Phalam. I heard it as Pakwa Jambu Phalam. So please keep both of them in mind.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha.
Namaste. Namaste.
Thank you, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Seshambal Bhagini?
Ram Ram.
Ram Bhagini, the 33rd verse, please.
नालं वा सकृदेव देव भवतः सेवानतिर्वा नुतिः पूजा वा स्मरणं कथा श्रवणमत्यालोकनं मादृशाम् स्वामिन्न स्थिरदेवतानुसरणा यासेन किं लभ्यते का वा मुक्तिरितः कुतो भवति चेत् किं प्रार्थनीयं तदा.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini Uttamam. Can we have Nalini Jayanti Bhagini?
हाँ दीदी.
Ha. Bhagini, the 34th verse, please.
किं ब्रूमहस्तव साहसं पशुपते कस्यास्ति शम्भो भवद्धैर्यं चेदृशामत्मनिस्थिततिरयं चान्यै कथं लभ्यते भ्रश्यद्येव गणं त्रसन्मुनिगणं नश्यन्त्र प्रपञ्चं लयं पश्यन् निर्भय एक एव विहरति आनन्दसान्द्रो भवान्.
Bhagini, the second line, it is Chedrishamatmanasthititiriyam. All right. It was a very good attempt, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Up next, can we have Sumana Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram Bhagini, the 35th verse, please.
योगक्षेमदुरन्दरस्य सकला श्रेयः प्रदोद्योगिनः दृष्टादृष्टमतोपदेशकृतिनः बाह्यन्तराव्यापिनः सर्वज्ञस्य दयाकरस्य भवतः किं वेदितव्यं मया शम्भो त्वं परमान्तरङ्ग इति मे चित्ते स्मराम्यन्वहम्.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Up next, can we have Janaki Rajaram Bhagini?
Suprabhatam Bhagini.
Suprabhatam. Bhagini, the 36th verse, please.
Yes, Maham. Bhakto bhakti gunavrite mudamrita purne prasanne manah कुम्भे साम्ब तवाङ्घ्रिपल्लवयुगं संस्थाप्य संवित्फलम् सत्वं मन्त्रमुदीरयन् निज शरीरागार अशुद्धिं वहन् पुण्याहं प्रकटीकरोमि रुचिरं कल्याणमापादयन्.
Uttamam Bhagini, just that in certain places I could not hear the Mahaprana, like in Tavangri Pallava Yugam and Samvit Phalam. So if you can just keep that in mind, yeah. Dhanyavada. Dhanyavada, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Bhuvana Sridhar Bhagini? Bhuvana Sridhar Bhagini?
Yes, Akka, can you hear me, Bhagini Akka?
Yes, Bhagini, I can hear you. The 37th verse.
Yes, Akka.
Yes.
आम्नायां बुद्धिमाधरेण सुमनः सङ्गासमुद्यन्मनो मन्थानं दृढभक्तिरज्जुसहितं कृत्वा मथित्वा ततः सोमं कल्पतरुं सुपर्वसुरभिं चिन्तामणिं धीमतां नित्यानन्दसुधां निरन्तररमा सौभाग्यमातन्वते.
Uttamam Bhagini, in the first two lines in certain places I could not hear the Mahaprana, but otherwise everything was good. Dhanyavada.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
भगिनी मम कापि समस्या आसीत् मध्ये अतः अशक्ता अभवम् इदानीं
38th verse.
38.
Yes.
प्राक् पुण्याचलमार्गदर्शित सुधामूर्तिः प्रसन्नः शिवः सोमः सद्गुणसेवितो मृगधरः पूर्णस्तमो मोचकः चेतः पुष्करलक्षितो भवति चेत् आनन्दपाथो निधिः प्रागल्भ्येन विजृम्भते सुमनसां वृत्तिस्तदा जायते.
Uttamam Bhagini, Dhanyavada.
Sorry, मध्ये समस्या आसीत्. धन्यवादः.
Dhanyavadaः. Up next, can we have Lakshmi Bonagiri Bhagini?
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. The 39th verse, please.
Dharmo me chaturangikastu charitaha papam vinasangatam chunaya
Please
kama.
go.
Dharmo me chaturangi kastu charitaha papam vinasangatam कामक्रोधमदादयो विगलिता आहा कालाग्युखवा विष्कृताः ज्ञानानन्दमहौषधिस्तु फलिता कैवल्यनाथे सदा मान्ये मानस पुण्डरीकनगरे राजावतंसे स्थिते.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. It was nice to hear. Please keep in mind the tune when you're practicing, all right? Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Madhumati KV Bhagini?
Ram.
Ram Bhagini. The 40th verse, please.
40th.
Yes.
धीयन्त्रेण वचो घटेन कविता. 1 second.
Sure. No issues.
धीयन्त्रेण वचो घटेन कविता कुल्योपकुल्याक्रमैः आनीतैश्च सदाशिवस्य चरिताम्भोराशिदिव्यामृतैः हृत्केदारयुताश्च भक्तिकलमाः साफल्यमातन्वते दुर्भिक्षान् मम सेवकस्य भगवन् विश्वेशभीतिः कुतः।
Bhagi, last one is bhitih kutaha. So please keep that in mind. All right. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you. Ram Ram.
Ram Ram. Up next, can we have Sandala Padmavati Bhagini? Ram 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 Bhagini.
पापोत्पातविमोचनाय रुचिरैश्वर्याय मृत्युञ्जया स्तोत्रध्याननतिप्रदक्षिण सपर्यालोकनाकर्णने जिह्वा श्रोत्रैरहं प्रार्थितो मामाज्ञापय तन्निरूपाय मुहुर्मामेव चः।
Bhagini, the third line, it is prarthitaha, and in the fourth line, it is tanni rupaya muhuhu. All right. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Yamini Bhagini?
Ram 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 Bhagini.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 42nd verse, please.
गाम्भीर्यं परितापदं घनधृतिः प्राकारवुद्यद्गुणस्तोमश्चाप्तबलं घनेन्द्रियचयो द्वाराणि देहे स्थितः विद्यावस्तु समृद्धिरित्यखिल सामग्री समेते सदा दुर्गातिप्रियदेव मामकमनो दुर्गे निवासं कुरु.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. It was nice to see you correcting yourself along the way. Dhanyavadaha. Right. Can we have Saraswati Bhagini?
Namaste, madam.
Namaste, Bhagini. The 43rd verse, please.
Ma gacchatvamitastato girishabhoh manyeva vasam kuru.
Yes, Bhagini. Please go on.
Swaminadi kirata mamakamana kantara simantare vartante bahusho mruga madajushaha matsarya mohadayah tan hatva mrugaya vinoda ruchita labhancha samprapsasi.
It was nice,
Sorry,
Bhagini. It's okay, Bhagini. No worries, Bhagini. Bhagini, in the first line, it is Mayeva Vasankuru.
Okay.
Ha, thank you.
Thank you.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Thank you.
Is there anybody else who would like to chant? Those who have not yet chanted, we can give you a chance, and then we can move on to people who would like to chant again. Yes. Can we have Gauri Ravi Bhagini next?
करलग्रमृगः करीन्द्रभङ्गः धनशार्दूला विखण्डनोस्तजन्तुः गिरिशो विशदाकृतिश्च चेतः कुहरे पञ्चमुखोऽस्ति मे कुतोभिः.
Very good attempt, Gauri Bhagini. In the second line, it is Ghana Shardula Vikhandanosta Jantu.
Oh,
yes. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha. Looks like nobody else wants to chant. We can go back to people who have chanted previously. Can we first have...
Lakshmi, Atiti Madam Rajalakshmi.
Yes, Bhagini, please. The 45th verse.
छन्दश्शाकिशिकान्वितैर्विजवरैः संसेविते शाश्वते सौख्यापदिनीकेदभेदिनी सुधासारैः फलैर्दीर्पिते चेतः पक्षिशिखामणे त्वजवृता सञ्चारमन्यैरलम् नित्यं शङ्करपादपद्मयुगली नीडे विहारं कुरु. धन्यवादः.
Bhagini, in the second line, it is Saukhya Padini. And the fourth line, Shankara Pada Padma Yugali Nide is a single word. So please try to chant it together. If you want to take a breath, you can take it right after Nityam. All right. Dhanyavad. Yes. Can we have Sulochana Bhagini next?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram 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 Bhagini, the 46th verse.
आकीर्णेन खराजिकान्ति विभवैः उद्यत्सुधा वैभवैः आधैतेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते आधौ तेऽपि च पद्मरागललिते हंसव्रजैराश्रिते नित्यं भक्तिवधूगणैश्च रहसि स्वेच्छाविहारं कुरु स्थित्वा मानसराजहंसगिरिजानाथाङ्घ्रिसौधान्तरे.
Uttamam Bhagini, it was nice to see you correct yourself there in the second line. Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Sesha Sudha Bhagini?
Yes, Ji. Yeah.
The 47th verse.
Shambhudhyana-vasanta-sangini hridarame ghajirnachadaha srasta bhaktilatan-chata vilasitaha punya-pravalashhritaha dipyante gunakoraka japavachah pushpani Sadvasanaha Jnanananda Sudhamarandalahari Samvitphalabhyunnatihi.
Bhagini, in the second line, it is Bhakti Lata Chhata. Somewhere in the middle, I heard a slight N sound. So please make sure to not have that. And in the last line, it is Jnanananda. It is not Gnanananda, it's Jnanananda Sudhamaranda Lahari.
Got it. Thank you, Ji. Yeah.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Up next, can we have Yamini E.S. Bhagini?
Namo Namaha.
Namo Namaha, Bhagini. The 48th verse.
Nityanandarasalayam Suramuniswantambujatashrayam Swacham sadvijasevitam kalushahrutu Sadvasana vishkrutam Shambhudhyana sarovaram vrajamanoham savatam sastiram Kim Shudrashraya Pallavalla Brahmana Sanjata Shramam Prapsyasi.
Bhagini, in the last line, it is Kshudrashraya Palvala Brahmana Sanjata Shramam. So please keep that in mind. Maybe you can practice a little slowly so you can concentrate on every single word. Yeah. Dhanyavada, Bhagini.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha. Up next, can we have Shobha Latamani Bhagini?
Ram Ram Bhagini.
Ram Ram Bhagini, the 49th verse, please.
आनन्दामृतपूरिता हरपदाम्भोजालवालोद्यता स्थैर्योपघ्नमुपेत्य भक्तिलतिका शाखोपशाखान्विता उच्चैर्मानसकायमानपटलीम् आक्रम्य निष्कल्मषा नित्याभीष्टफलप्रदा भवतु मे सत्कर्म संवर्धिता।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी, उत्तमम्।
धन्यवादाः भगिनी।
Yes. Up next, can we have Sujata Bhagini?
Bhagini,
Yes,
Bhagini,
yes, Bhagini. The 50th verse,
Ram Ram
please.
Bhagini.
Ram Ram.
सन्ध्यारम्भविजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरः सन्ध्यारम्भविजृम्भितं श्रुतिशिरस्तानान्तराधिष्ठितं सप्रेम भ्रमराभिराममसकृत् सत्वासनाशोभितम् भोगीन्द्राभरणं समस्तसुमनः पूज्यं गुणाविष्कृतं सेवे श्रीगिरिमल्लिकार्जुनमहालिङ्गं शिवालिङ्गितम्।
A very good effort, Bhagini. In certain places, I was not able to hear the Mahaprana, so if you can please keep that in mind while practicing. Yeah. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini.
धन्यवाद भगिनी।
Up next, can we, okay, there is nobody new who would like to chant, so we'll go back to people who have already chanted. Can we have Jayanti Bhagini?
Namaste.
Namaste Bhagini. The 51st verse, please.
भृङ्गीच्छा नटनोत्कटः करिमदग्राही स्फुरन्माधवा क्लादो नादयुतो महासितवपुः पञ्चेषुणाचादृतः सत्पक्षः सुमनो वनेषु स पुनः साक्षान्मदीये मनो राजीवे भ्रमराधिपो विहरतां श्रीशैलवासी विभुः।
Uttamam Bhagini. Is that in the first to second line, Sphuran Madhava Hlado? Make sure to not give a gap. I could hear a slight pause in the middle. All right. Otherwise, it was really good. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Up next, can we have Vijaya Lakshmi S. Bhagini? The
Yes.
52nd verse, please. Yes.
कारुण्यामृतवर्षिणं घनविपद्गीष्मच्छिदाकर्मठं विद्यासस्य सुमनः संसेव्यमिच्छाकृतिं नृत्यद्भक्तमयूरमद्रिनिलयं जटामण्डलं शम्भो वाञ्छति नीलकन्धर सदा त्वां मे मनश्चातकः।
A very good effort, Bhagini. The first line, it is Ghana Vipad Grishma Chida Karmatham. And in the third line, it is Chancha Jata Mandalam. All right. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Okay. Up next, can we have Padma Dugirala Bhagini?
आकाशेन शिखी समस्त
Padma Dugirala Bhagini. Hari Om Bhagini. The 53rd verse, please.
आकाशेन शिखी समस्तफणिनां नेत्राकलापेन तानुग्राहि प्रणवोपदेशनिनदैः केकीति योगीयते श्यामां शैलसमद्भवां मनरुचिं दृष्ट्वा नटन्तं मुदा वेदान्तोपवने विहाररसिकं तन्नीलकण्ठं भजे.
Bhagini, in the third line, it is Shaila Samudbhavang Ghana Ruchim. There were some places I could not hear the correct letter. All right. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. Up next, can we have Usha Iyer, Bhagini?
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Bhagini, the 54th verse, please.
Sandhya Gharmati Natyayo Harikaraghata Prabhutana Katvano Varita Garchitam Divishatam Drishtichata Chanchala Bhaktanam Paritosha Bhashpavitat Pavitatahi Vrishtirmayuri Shiva यस्मिन्नुज्ज्वलताण्डवं विजयते तन्नीलकण्ठं भजे.
Bhagini, in the fourth line, it is Paritosha Bhashpa Vitatihi.
Yeah, I struggled with that. Yeah, I'll correct myself.
Yes. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. We have the last verse. Can we have...
So one question, Ji.
Yes, Bhagini.
Here you said Paritosha or Paritopa?
Sorry, in
the 54th verse, third line.
It is Paritosha.
Paritosha, right?
Yes, Paritosha.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, the 55th verse. Can we have Nalini Bhagini? Yes, Bhagini. 55th verse. Yes.
आध्यायामि ततेजसे श्रुतिपदैः वेद्याय साध्याय ते विद्यानन्दमययात्मने त्रिजगतः संरक्षणोद्योगिने ध्यायेयाखिलयोगिभिः सुरगणैः गेयाय मायाविने संयुक्ताण्डवस्रभ्रमाय जटिने सेयं नितिशम्भवे. Sorry, Bhagini, this is my first class, Didi.
No issues, Bhagini, no issues. It was a very good effort from your end. Just that when there's a dya, it is a hrasva d that is there. So it is not dhya. It's not adhyayamita tejase. It is adhyayamita tejase. All right. Yes. It was a very good effort, Bhagini. Dhanyavada.
As only as YouTube I was joining.
That is very great to hear. It was a very good effort, Bhagini. Dhanyavadaha. Dhanyavadaha.
Bhagini, a doubt.
Yes, Bhagini, please tell me.
From 52 or for 2 or 3 verses, the overall English explanation is not given in the presentation.
Okay, we will just look into it, all right, and we can have it. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. So we will end our revision session.
1 minute, Bhagini.
Yes, Bhagini.
Like if I want to have the things of all these material, Didi, can I have it as PDF?
So it is available on the dashboard of the website. So once you log in, you will be able to see it in the student dashboard.
Okay, Bhagini.
Right?
Thank you.
So the PPT after every class is uploaded on the dashboard there.
I should be in the WhatsApp group, Didi. Like, I don't know how to join.
All right. I will kindly drop a mail to me or to Brinda Bhagini. We'll be able to add you to the WhatsApp group. All right. Yeah.
Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Bhagini. All right. So we shall end the class today with the Shanti Mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayaha, sarve bhadrani pashyantu मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। धन्यवादाः। आगामि शनिवासरे पुनर्मिलामः।